जाङ्गलीकायमाने संसारहालाहल मोहशान्त्ये आबाहु पुरुषाकारम् शङ्खचक्रासिधारिणम् प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिम् ओ Okay, let's start with the Surya Namaskara A. Surya Namaskara A is followed with the 9 counts. Please stand up at the edge of the mat. Surya Namaskara A is followed with the 9 counts. Okay, so I will demonstrate it once for you. Ekam, inhale, both the hands up, look up. Dve, exhale to forward bend, head inside. Trini, inhale, just the head up. Chatvari, jump back or walk back to Chaturanga Dandasana, exhale. Pancha, inhale, come up, Bhujangasana, look up. Shat, exhale, go back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe here 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta, inhale, walk forward, jump forward. Ashto, exhale, head inside. Nava, inhale, come up, look up. Samastitihi, exhale. Okay, we will do Surya Namaskara B with 17 counts. Start with bending your knee and hands up. Ekam, inhale, bend your knee and hands up, look up. Dve, exhale to forward bend, keep your hands on the floor and head inside. Trini, inhale, just a head up. Chatvari, jump back or walk back to Chaturanga Dandasana, exhale. Pancha, inhale, come up, Bhujangasana. Shat, exhale, go back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Sapta, bring your right leg forward, go to Veerabhadrasana. Take both the hands up, look up. Ashto, keep your hands on the floor, take your legs back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, come up, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha, exhale, go back, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, left leg forward. Inhale, both the hands up, look up. Dvadasha, keep your hands on the floor. Go to Chatvari and exhale. Trayodasha, inhale, come up. Chaturdasha, exhale, go back. And breathe there 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, inhale, walk forward. Shodasha, exhale, head inside. Saptadasha, bend your knee and hands up, look up. Samastitihi, exhale. Padahastasana. 1, let me show you. If anybody have confusion, you can watch me. I will show you the Padahastasana. 2, keep breathing, don't stop. You need to put your hands under the feet like this. And then head inside and breathe. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale there. Inhale, come up. Join your legs to Samastitihi. Keep your legs 3 feet wider. Trikonasana. Turn towards your right side. Keep your legs 3 feet wider. However you are comfortable. Open your hands. Inhale. Exhale. Go down. Catch your big toe. Look up and breathe. 1, 2, 3. Make sure that you both the knees straight. 3, both the knees straight. 4 and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, change the side to left. Change the side to left. Turn your left leg outside, right leg inside. Exhale, go down. Keep your left hand on the left leg. Right hand up. Look up and breathe there nicely 5 times. 1, 2, 3. Hold. Don't relax. 4 and 5. Inhale, come up. Trikona Asana B. You have to do twisted. Be comfortable. Don't push yourself too hard. Turn your right leg outside. Keep your left hand on the right foot. Exhale, go down. Look up and breathe. Be comfortable. 1, and try to balance yourself. 2. Yes, relaxed one. 3, don't bend your knee. Keep your left hand on the right foot. 4 and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, change the side to left. 1, 2. Keep your right hand on the left leg. 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, join your legs to Samastitihi. Jump towards your back to Samastitihi. Okay. Press Uttita Parshva Konasana. Turn towards your right side. Keep your legs 5 feet wider. Little more than the previous one. Little more than the previous one. Keep your legs little more than the previous one. Bend your right knee. You have to bend your right knee. Watch me. You have to bend your right knee. Open your hands. Inhale. Exhale. Go down. Keep your right hand outside the right leg. Left hand 45-degree up. And breathe there nicely 5 times. 1, 2. People who are unable to touch the floor, you can keep your hand on the right knee. Okay, even you can do that. 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, come up. Turn towards your left side, left leg outside, right leg inside. Go down. Keep your left hand on the floor. Right hand 45-degree up. And breathe there. 1. Adjust yourself. 2, 3. Right hand 45-degree up. 4 and 5. Inhale, come up. Let's do B, twisted one. Watch me. There are 2 ways. If you can touch the floor, it's well and good. If not, keep your elbow on the right knee. Turn your right leg outside. Bend your right knee. Keep your left elbow on the right leg. Then take your right hand up, 45-degree. Then breathe. If you're unable to touch the floor, no problem. Keep your left hand on the right knee. Then just hold it there and breathe. Okay? 1, 2, very good. Take your hands towards the front, Venkat sir. 3, take your hands towards the front, towards your face. 4, your right hand towards your face. There. That's also fine. Okay. 5, inhale, come up. Exhale, change the side to left. Keep your right elbow on the left knee. You want to watch it once. I want to just clear this asana once. Everybody can watch me if you want to watch me. Keep your right elbow on the left knee, okay, and drop it down and take your left hand up. Even this is fine. Or you want to do namaskara here and look up. Even this is also fine. 1, breathe there. 2, balance, don't dance. 3, Bring your left hand close to your face. 4 and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, join your legs to Samastitihi. Prasarita Padottanasana. Turn towards your right side. Keep your legs 5 feet wider. Yes, keep your legs 5 feet wider. Inhale, catch your waist. Exhale, do forward bend. Hands on the floor. Inhale, just the head up. Exhale, touch your head to the floor and breathe. Try your best. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, just the head up. Exhale there. Inhale, catch your waist. Exhale, stand straight. Inhale, open your hands. Exhale, catch your waist. Inhale, head up. Exhale, do forward bend. And breathe there nicely 5 times. 1, Prasarita Padottanasana, B. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale there. Inhale, open your hands. Exhale, catch your fingers. Interlock your fingers at the back. And bring your hands up. Again, inhale, head up. Exhale, do forward bend. Relax your shoulders. Try to reach maximum down. Try to touch your head to the floor. Bring your hand parallel to the ground. 1, relax your shoulders completely. 2, focus on your breathe. Very good. 3, 4, please mute yourself. And 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, open your hands. Again, inhale, catch your waist. Exhale, do forward bend. Catch your big toe. Inhale, just the head up. Exhale, head inside and breathe there nicely 5 times. Try to touch your head to the floor. Very good. Knee straight. Relax your hip joints. Relax your legs. 1, 2. Catch your big toes. 3. Catch your toes. 4 and 5. Inhale, just the head up. Exhale there. Inhale, come up. Join your legs to Samastitihi. Parshvottanasana. Namaskara mudra at the back. Namaskara mudra at the back. Turn towards your right side. Keep your legs 3 feet wider. Turn towards your right side completely. Turn your right leg outside. Left leg straight. Inhale, just the head up. Exhale, do forward bend. Touch your forehead, arch chin to knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, change the side to left. 1, 2. I will tell them. Go down, go down. Yes, slowly. It's only one exhale you have to go down actually. There is not much breathing for the changeover. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, join your legs to Samastitihi. Okay, the next one will be Uttita Hasta Padangustasana. As you know, it's a little challenging. If you can hold your legs straight and catch and do it, that's fine. If not, we'll do the simplified version. Just catch your knee, toe pointing, breathe there 5 times. If not, you have to do it like this. Breathe there 5 times, then you have to move to the side, then you have to bring. Okay, that's without support. I don't recommend that. If you can do it yourself, it's well and good. If not, catch it. Breathe. 1, 2, 3. Don't shake. 4 and 5. Move it to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold it 5. Now bring it front, stretch your legs straight, toe pointing, or you can catch your legs underneath and breathe there 5 times. 1, catch your legs underneath, stretch your legs like this. 2, and breathe. Very good. 3, toe pointing. 4 and 5. Change the side to left. Inhale, catch your left leg up. Exhale, breathe there nicely 5 times. 1, catch your left leg, catch your knee, left knee. Yes. Same leg, same hand. Emily, same leg, same hand. 2, everybody catch your left leg. 3, Utthita Hasta. 4, and your head should be down. And 5, inhale, head up. Exhale, shift towards the left. Look towards your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, bring it to front. Exhale there. Inhale, exhale, catch your waist. Balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes. Now, let's do the next one. Ardha Baddha Padma. Padma Padottanasana. Okay. Hold your right leg inside. Try to catch your right leg from behind if you can. If not, no problem. Keep your both the hands on the floor. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale, head inside. And breathe there nicely 5 times. Okay. 1, right leg. 2, you are supposed to catch your right leg from the right hand. If not, keep your both the hands on the floor. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, head up. Exhale there. Inhale, come up. Samastitihi. Change the side to left. Catch your left leg from behind. Inhale, go down. Head up. Balance. Don't dance. Deepika, keep it on your leg. On your leg, like how you do half lotus. Exhale, forward bend. Stay there and breathe. Very good. 1, 2, not compulsory. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, just a head up. Careful. Exhale, come up and join your legs to Samastitihi. Let's start with the Vinyasa and go to the Utkatasana with Surya Namaskara A. Ekam, inhale, both the hands up, look up. Dve, exhale, do forward bend. Keep your hands on the floor, head inside. Trini, inhale, just a head up. Chatwari, jump back or walk back to Chaturanga. Exhale. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump through, sit down, bend your knee and hands up, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Trini, again, keep your hands on the floor. Chatvari, jump back to Chaturanga again. Go down. Pancha, inhale, come up, look up. Shat, exhale, go back. Adho Mukha. Sapta, bring your right leg forward. We'll do Virabhadrasana A. Both the hands up, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, change the side to left. Turn towards your left side. Okay, yeah, let's go. Take up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3, inhale, exhale, go down. B. There only, just change your hands from up to the shoulder level. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come to center, change the side to right, go down and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Trini, inhale, keep your hands on the floor, up, Chatvari, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, come up, look up. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump through, sit down. Sitting down series. Let's do Dandasana. Inhale, head up, exhale, head down, and breathe there nicely 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale, catch your big toes. Okay? There, Trini, inhale, just a head up. Exhale, go down. Try to touch your forehead to knee. Paschimottanasana A. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale there. Pancha, inhale, catch your legs from the side. Catch your legs from the side. Exhale, go down. And breathe there nicely 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta, inhale, just a head up. Exhale there. Trini, take your legs up. Let's do Vinyasa. Jump back and jump through if you can do it. Okay, if not, you can skip this and go to next asana. Chatvari, jump back. Pancha, inhale, come up. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump through, sit down. Jump through, sit down. Purvottanasana, stretch your arms back. Inhale, exhale, lift up. Breathe there nicely. 1, 2, make sure that you're touching your toes to the floor. Lift up. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, Trini. Come down there. Exhale. Again, let's do Vinyasa. Trini, inhale, take your legs up. Chatvari, jump back to Chaturanga, exhale. Pancha, inhale, come up, look up. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump through and sit down. Stretch your legs straight. Ardha Baddha Padma Paschimottanasana. Fold your right leg in. Half lotus. Okay? Half lotus. Try to catch your right hand from behind. Catch your left leg. Inhale, head up. Exhale, go down. And breathe there. 1, 2, 3. If you're unable to catch your legs, no problem. Just keep your legs on the left leg and catch your left leg from both the hands and breathe there. 4 and 5. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale there. Inhale, come up. 3, take your legs up. Chatvari, jump back to Chaturanga. Exhale, go down. Pancha, inhale, come up. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump through and left leg. Hold the left leg in. Catch your right leg from both the hands. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale, head inside. Try to touch your forehead to knee and breathe. 1, 2, deep breathing. And 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale there. 3, take your legs up. Chatvari, jump back or walk back to Chaturanga. Exhale. Pancha, inhale, come up, look up. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump through. Sit down straight. Tairakam Ekapada Paschimottanasana. Hold your right leg in and shift it to back. Make sure that you sit on both the sides of your hip. Okay? Sit straight like this. Inhale, straight back. Catch your left leg. Exhale to forward bend. And breathe there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Head in. Try to touch your forehead to knee. And 5. Inhale, head up. Exhale there. 3, take your legs up. Chatvari, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale. Pancha, inhale, Bhujangasana. Shat, exhale, go back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Sapta, jump through. Left leg, fold the left leg inside. Catch your right leg from both the hands. Yeah, you can watch me and do it if you have confusion. Left leg inside. Okay, and make sure that your knee is close to the other knee. Left knee is close to the knee. And catch your right leg. Inhale, head up. Exhale, go down. And breathe. 1. Stay there and breathe. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale there. 3, take your legs up. Chatvari, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Bhujangasana from here. Shat, exhale, go back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Sapta, jump through, sit down. Janu Shirshasana, fold your right leg inside, close your core, straight back, catch your left leg, right leg inside. So you'll sit in an L shape, okay? Catch your left leg, inhale, head up, exhale, go down, and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, just the head up. Exhale there. 3 knee. Take your legs up. Chatvari, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing. Sapta, jump through. Sit down. Left leg, fold the left leg inside. Catch your right leg from both the hands. Inhale, head up. You can adjust yourself and catch it. If you're flexible enough, you can catch your wrist. Then lock your wrist on your toes. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale, go down. Breathe there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale there. 3 knee. Take your legs up. Chatvari, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Bhujangasana or Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing. Sapta, jump through, sit down. Janu Shirshasana, B. Fold the right leg inside, okay? Fold the right leg inside. You have to sit on your feet. Sit on your feet. Yeah, and right leg, right knee outside. Catch your left leg. Inhale, head up. Exhale, go down. 1, actually, a pink color mat, 2, this is punching with the pant. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale. Exhale there. 3 knee. Take your legs up. Chatvari. Jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, come up. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump through, sit down, left side. Now left leg, fold your left leg inside. Stretch your right leg straight. Catch your right leg from both the hands. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale, go down. And breathe there nicely 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale there. 3 knee, take your legs up. Chatvari, jump back, walk back. Pancha, inhale, come up, look up. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump through, sit down. Okay, we'll do after Janu Shirshasana A and B. We'll not do C. We'll skip the C. I don't know how many of you can do the C. So we'll directly go to Marichasana A. Fold the right leg inside. Right leg inside. Inhale. Exhale. Take your right hand around your right leg or right knee and catch your left hand at the back. Inhale, head up. Exhale, go down. And breathe there. Be careful. Don't injure yourself. Only do how much you can. Just hug your right leg. Hug your right leg. That's it. Just hug your right leg. Breathe there. 1. Good one. 2. Try to touch your forehead to left leg. 3. Relax. 4. You have to breathe. And 5. Dve, exhale. Inhale, hedel. Okay. 3. Take your legs up. Chatvari. Jump back or walk back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha. Inhale. Mute. Shat. Sapta. Jump through. Sit down. Left side. Hold your left leg in. Take it around. And catch your right hand behind. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale there. 3. Take your legs up. Come up, take your legs up. Chatvari, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale, go down. Pancha, inhale, come up. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump through, sit down. Let's do the Navasana. Let's do the Navasana. 5 times into 3 time breathing. 5 breathing into 3 times. Okay, everybody go to boat shape. Inhale, exhale, legs up, hands up. Breathe there nicely 5 times. 1, 2, 3. You can watch me. 4 and 5. Inhale, bring your legs down. Lift yourself up. Exhale, go back to Navasana. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Trini, inhale up. Exhale there one more time. 1, 2. Hold it, hold it. 3. No leg support. Don't hold your legs. 4 and 5. Inhale, just up again. Exhale there. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Trini, inhale up. Chatvari, jump back to Chaturanga. Exhale, go down. Pancha, inhale, come up, look up. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump through, sit down. Okay, now we have actually a lot of challenging asanas like Bhujapidasana, Garbhapindasana, Kukkutasana, like that. So we'll skip all that. I have chosen a few more simple asanas for the practice. Let's start with Baddha Konasana. First one, let's do Baddha Konasana. Keep your legs closer, fold it inside. Bring your legs closer, more closer to your body. Make sure that your hands, elbows inside, okay? Turn your feet up. Inhale. Exhale, go down. Touch your forehead to your toes. And breathe there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, just the head up. Exhale there. Now, Trini, take your legs up. Trini, Take your legs up. Chatvari. Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale. Go back. Pancha. Inhale. Come up. Look up. Shat. Exhale. Go back. Sapta. Jump through. Sit down. Upavishta Konasana. Stretch your legs wider. Yes. Catch your feet at the side. Inhale, head up. Exhale, forward bend. And breathe there. 1, try to touch your head or shoulder to the floor. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale there. 3 from there. Let's do B. Upavishta Konasana B. Take your legs up. Look up. And breathe. Balance. 1, 2. Try to balance yourself. Be careful. Don't fall. 3. Lift up. Lift your legs up. 4. Balance. Yes, Marlisa. Very good try. Good. Sandesh MS. Good. And 5. Inhale. Come down. Exhale there. 3. Take your legs up. Chatvari. Jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha. Inhale. Come up. Shat. Exhale. Go back. Sapta. Jump through. Sit down. Okay. I have added a couple of asanas from our intermediate series to the primary series here. Actually this complete primary series of Mysore style Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga is called healing series. It's called Yoga Chikitsa. Okay. And second series is called, intermediate series is called Nadi Shodhana. Okay. So, but there are some asanas which is almost similar to the primary series. You can forward, you can just like practice here. So I want to include that here, then give you practice. And then in that, the first one, what we will do is, we will do the camel pose. Okay. So I want everyone to go on your knee. Ustrasana. We'll do Ustrasana. Go on your knee. Okay, let me shift my camera so that you can easily watch me and practice. First, I want everyone to sit on your knee. Sit straight on your knee. Yeah, comfortable. Inhale. Take your both the hands back on. Try to catch your or touch your heels. Exhale. Look back and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. 3, Chatvari, jump back. Go to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, come up, look up. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump and lie down. Okay. Lie down on the floor. We'll do Shalabhasana. Face down. Lie down, face down. First hands next to your chest. Inhale, just a head up. Chest up, legs up. Balance there. Breathe 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dve, inhale, exhale, go down, stretch your hands back. 1 more time. 3, inhale, just a head up, legs up, balance. Chatvari, exhale. 1, 2, This time you stretch your hands back in the B. 3, 4, and 5. Trini, inhale, then Chatwari, exhale, go back. From there, Pancha Bhujangasana. Shat, exhale, go back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Sapta, jump through, sit down. Okay? Okay, so everybody lie down. Yeah, and this is one more thing. Only for the people who can do this, please do it. Okay, let's do Urdhva Dhanurasana. Okay, stretch your legs straight and keep your hands here. You can do half first to prepare yourself. Okay, and stay here and breathe slowly. Then come up. Then breathe. 1, 2, 3, like that. 4 and 5. Inhale, just come down. Touch your head to the floor. Exhale, go up. One more time. You just need to, from here, inhale, come down. Exhale up again. And breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One last time. One last time again, lift up. Inhale, exhale. Lift up. Yes. Breathe there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come down. Exhale, stretch your legs. From here, Chakrasana. Inhale, take your legs up. Roll back slowly. Chakrasana. From there, go to Chaturanga again. Pancha, inhale, come up. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump through. Sit down. Paschimottanasana. Catch your feet. Inhale, head up. Exhale, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale there. Trini, take your legs up. Chatwari, jump back to Chaturanga. Exhale. Pancha, inhale, come up. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump through. Sit down. Lie down. We do Sarvangasana. Stretch your legs straight. Let's go step by step. Okay, let's go step by step. Hold your leg inside first. Inhale. Lift up. Take your back support. Exhale. Go up. Stay there and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale. Exhale. Take it to Shalabhasana. Hands down. Catch your fingers. Breathe there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now Karna Pindasana. Hold your knees, bring the knee close to your ears and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Inhale, bring your legs up straight. Try to put Padmasana. Put the Padmasana. Stay there and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pindasana. Bend your knees slowly, bend your neck slowly. Catch your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Inhale, take your legs up straight, then come slowly down. Let's do Matsyasana. Matsyasana. Legs down, head up. Go on your forehead and breathe there. 1, 2, catch your toes, catch your feet. 3 from both the hands. 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Inhale, exhale. Come out of the Padmasana. Stay there. Stretch your legs straight. Hands straight. Uttana Padasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Inhale, exhale. Lie down. Go back to Chakrasana. Trini, take your legs up. Go back. Chakrasana. Chatwari. Pancha, inhale, come up. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump through. We do headstand. Headstand, okay? If you are used to do headstand, please do it and be careful. Headstand, okay? Shirshasana. Inhale. Exhale up. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Try to bring it to half down if you can. Hold there and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really inhale, take it up straight. Breathe there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come down. Head down. Don't bring your head up. Stay there and breathe 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3D, inhale. Shatvarik, go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale, go down. Pancha, inhale, come up, look up. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump through. Sit down. Let's do the finishing Padmasana. Then we'll do the Nadi Shodhana. Padmasana, right leg in first. Then the left leg. Baddha Padmasana. Try to catch your toes from behind if you can. If not, catch your elbows. No problem. Head up. Yoga Mudra A. Head down. Try to touch your forehead to the floor. And breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, just a head up. Exhale, come up. Breathing, stretch your hands back. Yoga Mudra B. 1 feet away from your body. Fingers facing forward. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, look back and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, come up. Exhale, sit straight for Padmasana. Just chin down. Breathe there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, exhale up. Nadi Shodhana. Use your right hand. Hold your first 2 fingers. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. 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 Now inhale from right, exhale from left. 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 Inhale from right, last time. Exhale from left. Utpulti, inhale, bring the legs up. Keep your hands on the legs. Exhale up. Stay there and breathe. 1. Try to lift yourself up maximum. If not, keep your hands underneath. Make your chest up straight. Look at the tip of your nose. Okay, look at the tip of your nose and breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From there, 3, inhale up, Chaturanga, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, come up. Shat, exhale, go back. Sapta, jump through. Stand up. Let's do the finishing prayer. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां ज्ञानेन मार्गेण महिषः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। One more. Ekam inhale. Dve exhale. Trini inhale just a head up. Chatvari jump back, exhale, go down. Pancha inhale, come up. Shat exhale, go back. Sapta jump through. Just lie down and relax. Turn towards your right side. Slowly. Come up. Sit straight. And you can face the camera. Let's do a couple of chantings and then we'll finish the session. I request everyone to switch on the camera now if you're comfortable. Let's do. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om. Thank you very much. Thanks for attending my session.